Hello viewers. A lot of users actually want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus in Big Billion Days sale or Amazon Great Indian Festival sale. So a lot of users actually asked me about the price of this tablet during the offers. The base version of this tablet is selling currently at a price point of 36,000 rupees with all the offers. The base version has Wi-Fi and 128 GB of internal storage, but during Big Billion Days sale the price of the Wi-Fi version will come down to 19,000 after using all the offers and credit card cashbacks. Now a lot of users will ask me that this is not possible because the current price of this tablet is 36,000 rupees. How can it be so cheap in Big Billion Days sale? So for that reason, let me remind you that Flipkart Big Billion Days sale or Amazon Great Indian sale are the biggest sales of the year, when you can get the best deals. Plus Tab S9 FE Plus is not a bad device and you will get discounts on this tablet also. Generally, Samsung products remain on high offers after a period of time. So in this case also you can get great offers on Tab S9 FE Plus. But if you want to buy the 5G version of this tablet, in that case you may have to spend around 25,000 rupees after all the offers and cashbacks. And if you get this tablet well under 25,000 rupees for the 5G version, I would recommend you to buy this tablet. If you are a Samsung lover and want a bigger display with great battery life and a great note-taking experience under your budget. Talking about the specifications, actually Tab S9 FE Plus comes with 12.4 inches LCD display and the color reproduction of this tablet is excellent. You can enjoy HDR content on YouTube and the multimedia consumption on the OTT apps like Amazon Prime, Netflix, Hotstar, etc. are also great. Plus, it has stereo speakers which will entertain you thoroughly. Actually, the display of Tab S9 FE Plus is little bit contrasty, so if you don't like contrasty or oversaturated color, in that case Tab S9 FE Plus may not be your choice. One of the highlighting factors of Tab S9 FE Plus is the inclusion of S Pen inside the box, and with the use of S Pen you can do a lot of productive tasks like taking screenshot, writing notes on your screen, select any part, or also you can drag and drop any object or any text from any website into your note app. Actually, I have made a dedicated video on the note-taking experience of Tab S9 FE Plus. So if you are interested to watch that video, links are in the descriptions below. You will have a clearer idea about the note-taking experience. If you are a student, in that case also those videos will definitely help you to take the right decision of buying the right tablet. Tab S9 FE Plus comes with massive 10,000 plus mAh battery and the battery backup is very good. You can expect 10 hours plus SOT on a single charge from this tablet. Also, it comes with Exynos 1380 processor, which is not so powerful. There is no heating issue in this tablet. However, due to the medium chipset, you cannot edit heavy videos or heavy editing is not possible on this tablet. Plus, you cannot expect high-end gaming from this tablet. So, in the conclusion, should you buy Tab S9 FE Plus? The answer is yes. If you get this tablet to buy well at 19,000 rupees during the offers, you should definitely buy this tablet. In the case, it will become value for money. But if the price is 25,000 for the Wi-Fi version, in that case you may buy another tablet such as OnePlus Pad or MI Pad 6 or Poco Pad or iPad 10th generation, which are more powerful in terms of processing power. So let me know in the comment sections below if you are planning to buy this tablet, or if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. Hope this video has become helpful. Please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.